our Dendrite is games, and the topic that we're going to be talking about today is fractions, specifically equivalent fractions.
So, remember your fractions. So we are going to teach you how to play spoons. We've been working with fractions for the last couple of weeks, and we just started practicing making equivalent fractions, either by multiplying or dividing. And we're going to break you up into groups, and you're going to play the game spoons. Raise your hand if you've ever played spoons before. Great. We're going to play spoons with the writing utensils that you brought in here today instead of spoons, because we don't want to waste them. And in your groups, we want you to be in groups of 6 people, I think that should work.
Yeah, 6 will work.
Yeah, 6 people I think will work. So once you get into your group, every person needs 4 cards.
You'll need to shuffle them first.
Because we haven't. And then every person's going to need 4 cards, and you'll put the spoons in the middle of your group, but make sure that you take 1 out so that there's 1 less spoon than all of your group. And then you are going to try to get 4 matching fractions in your hand. So for example, if you had 1 as the whole number and you had 2 halves, that's equal to 1, so you want to hang on to those, and then you want to wait as the cards are being passed around your circle until you get 2 other cards that equal 1. Okay?
There is a dealer who will be passing out the cards. They will start with the card, they will look at it, they will decide, do I want to keep this card or do I want to pass it? And they're going to put it upside down, or they can take any card out of their hand and pass it on.
While you're playing, if you get confused, we have the rules right down here on how to play the game. We pretended like you already made the cards, because you could have made the cards and had to come up with the 4 fractions on your own the day before. Okay?
We made them for you.
So, we have 4 people there. Can you 2 go over by them? And then we have a group of 6 over there. And then we have a group of 6 right here. Here's your cards. So your goal is to get 4 matching fractions.
We need to shuffle.
You're the one who
Yeah, you're writing utensils are your spoon. You have that. Sorry.
No worries.
Are we going over there?
We're like putting together. Can't have a hole in the table. I started shuffling.
I should put these in some.
so much.
I have to pass out 4, yeah.
Oh, so every person
Then
needs
she
4.
can start doing
We'll
it.
go that way.
Have you ever played where you keep the spoons and you keep the house? Or, no, and then they have to, like, once somebody gets up, everybody gets up. We said it, we put one out in the snow day.
That sounds
When we were down to the final one, like it was out in the snowbank. Oh man, out on the.
So we're making.
You have to match words with common vowels.
So
You can do spoons with like common vowel sounds.
Alright, let's get this game started.
To think now.
Oh no, this is, I need like a paper.
Not when I teach you math.
They're still dealing.
So do you have to start?
Do I just, if
Yeah.
I can't discard one?
Quickly. No, you.
What?
Yeah.
You
start.
look at one, and if you don't, if you
Pass
want
it
to
on.
keep it, you switch out another one. If you don't, pass it to the.
Ah, okay, so if I do this one, I want it. If I don't want
So
it.
you can only have 4 cards in your hand.
Then I
If you
pass
don't
it?
want it, then you
Yep.
pass it.
Okay.
And
And
then
then
pick
you
up the
keep
next
going.
one
Oh, keep going
immediately.
right away. Quickly,
You
yeah.
pick up that one. There you go.
4 that are the same.
Oh, I know, wait for it.
We didn't shuffle very well. I shouldn't tell the rest of you that.
This is hard. What?
Oh shoot.
I have 2 over 1, so
No, so you just, you pass it to her,
Do I have to,
whatever one you don't want.
so like, I have to like
No,
handle
no,
both?
No, keep
No,
one
you
of
pick
those. Don't worry about
If
that.
you get an equivalent fraction, you should have need 4. 4 that are equivalent.
No, this is hard.
It's a thinking game for sure. It's good though.
This is gonna take a while.
They did, I should like.
Keep take that back.
Yeah.
You get it.
Gather all of your cards. Make sure that all of your cards have the little dot in the corner, because we have other orange cards that don't have a dot. We want to make sure all our sets stay the same.
Oh.
And we have a winner over here too! Yay! They're all your cards. Make sure that all of them have a little star in the corner, so we know that they're all the same set.
Make sure there's none on the floor.
That was really hard.
I didn't want to cheat.